channel. Are you looking for a product that is sweat proof? Are you looking for a product that is oil proof? Are you looking for a product that will prevent you from getting oily throughout the day? Are you looking for a product that will help fight acne and literally minimizes acne spots, acne scarring? Like, this product is amazing. And are you also looking for a product that helps prevent flashback? Yes, flashback. Like, so much people struggle trying to find the perfect product, the perfect setting powder above. This product ticks all of those boxes. This product is perfect. It's amazing. Like, oh my god, how did I come to find this product again? Yeah, like I was doing like so much research. I think I was looking for products that had glutathione in it, because products with glutathione actually help with the pigmentation of your skin. And for me, I have an overproduction of melanin on my skin, so when my skin scars or marks, I get very dark pigmentation marks, like hyperpigmentation, that are a lot darker than my skin tone. So fortunately for me, products with glutathione ingredients help with the pigmentation of my skin. So I was on a hunt for products that have glutathione in it, and I came across a forum that was talking about a very good and sacred powder. Some of you have probably not heard of this powder because it's very sacred in a lot of traditions, like Chinese traditions, and apparently Queen Nefertiti, I think that was her, used this powder to enhance her beauty, and also an emperor of of China used this product internally, yes, internally and externally, to enhance her beauty. This product is definitely perfect if you suffer from, you know, oily skin. It definitely will help with anyone that's dealing with like flashback issues, anyone that wants a makeup or foundation that is sweat proof, anyone that wants a foundation that is oil proof, and best of all, anyone that wants a foundation or a makeup product that they can use that also helps fight acne. Like, why wouldn't you want that? Like, this product is so amazing. You can take it internally, as I said, and you can use it topically, externally on your skin. Like, it helps fight acne. It helps, you know, enhance your makeup. It makes your skin look so radiant, so nice, so beautiful. After thorough research, and this product is here. You can get it in a few forms. This is the powder form. You can get it in a tablet form, but it's called pearl powder. So pearl powder is just exactly how I've said it. It comes from crushed pearls under the sea. So under the sea, I think it has something to do with oysters, you know, the kind of fish, oysters, and they go through like some kind of process. I guess if you want to research or look it up, you can, but they go through a process, and a pearl is formed. There's pearls they separate to use for jewelry, and the pearls that they don't separate to use for jewelry, they use it in skincare products. And a lot of Chinese, as I said, traditions use these pearls. So they crush them, and they are 100% safe to take internally. Apparently you can even give this stuff to kids, that's how safe it is, and you can take them in conjunction with any other kind of herb. I'm not sure about any medication, but even pregnant women can take this, so it's very good. So it's known to reduce the production of like melanoma, like skin issues, pigmentation issues, dark spots, dark marks. You take it internally once a day, and you take it topically. You can use it as a face mask. Sometimes I use it as a face mask, and I mix it with an egg white, not the yolk, an egg white, and I put like half a teaspoon of the pearl powder. I mix it up until it gets beautiful pearly, and I put it on my face for about 10 minutes, and then I wash it off. So as I said, I also take it internally. I try and take it every day, but I take half a teaspoon once a day with warm water. So you can boil your kettle, and then pour it in like you do a hot drink, but then you just let it cool for a bit, make sure it's still warm, and then you take it internally. This product is so good. What I've been doing with this product is I've been mixing it with my moisturizer. So in the mornings when I get up, after I've cleansed my skin, I'll put my moisturizer on my hands, and then I'll use a teaspoon to put some of the pearl powder into my moisturizer. I rub it on my face, and literally it's just amazing. It makes your skin feel so matte. It makes your skin look so matte. It helps with acne. It just reduces the signs of like aging. Apparently it's perfect for collagen, for aging, for wrinkles, all that kind of stuff. Like, I'm sure this product does nearly everything. If you're not too sure about this product, just research it, look it up. It's called pearl powder. It just helps deal with so much skin issues, and some people are like really oily, and I don't really mind being oily. Like, if I get oily throughout the day, I think it's a nice thing. I think my skin looks nice and dewy. Some people hate it, and I've got a friend that she always gets oily, and she's always like topping up her powder throughout the day, and she's like, I'm oily, my skin looks so oily, and I'm just like, no it don't. And anyway, I've recommended her this product, and she thinks it's amazing. It's worked great for her, and it's helped her skin. Like, it's helped deal with her oily issues, it's helped deal with obviously flashback, it's helped deal with like humidity. Like, it's perfect. So I purchased this product, this exact one, from a website called Glow Bar London. So obviously I purchased it in the UK. You can also get it on Amazon by a brand called Dragon Herbs, and you can also get it on the Dragon Herbs website. I'm not too sure about purchasing products on Amazon and website that I'm not familiarized with, so I got it from Glow Bar London. There's also a brand called Moon Juice, and they sell this in the US and in the UK in some department stores, but in the US they sell the pearl powder, but they sell it in a mix, in like a tub this size. It's 40 grams, this is, so they sell it in a mix. So they sell it with other beauty enhancement properties, and you take this one internally. The reason why I'm not too fond of that one is because I like the 100% pure extract, and when you get it in a mix you get not as much product, so you get like small amounts of each product, and I just wanted the full potent potential of pearl powder. So this is how it helps with flashback. You can use it as a setting powder. I've used it today. It just looks so natural, it looks so flawless. You just apply it like on anything, like a flat surface. You can apply it on a piece of tissue, a kitchen roll, and then you obviously dab your beauty blender in it and you use it to highlight. Like, that's exactly what I do. You use it to top up your makeup, all that kind of stuff. Like, you use it in your skincare products, and it helps fight acne. Like, who wouldn't want that? So yeah, as I was saying, I purchased this from a online retailer called Glow Bar London. This lady also sells stuff like ashwagandha, it's a natural herb, heisha, it's a natural herb, and just like adaptogen herbs that help the body deal with stressful times and stressful environments. So I'm just going to tell you a bit about this. It's 40 grams, as I said. It's called pearl powder. It's 100% pearl powder. It's very white. This is how it looks inside. It's just completely white, and it's 100% natural crushed pearls from the ocean, from the sea. It's 100% organic, it's 100% natural. There's no kind of artificial or fake ingredients in this. It's 100% safe, and it helps lighten pigmentation marks internally and externally. You can use it as a face mask, you can add it to your face creams, you can add it to your serums. Apparently you can add it to near enough anything. Like, it's just helped me so much. Since I've been using it, it's cleared up my acne a lot. Like, I get less breakouts. I haven't had any breakouts like since I've been using this. Like, it's amazing. And then as soon as I did kind of stop using it to kind of see if this is actually really helping my skin, I actually saw breakouts come out. If you didn't know, pearl powder is antimicrobial. Antimicrobial and antifungal just means that it fights bad bacteria, like bad bacteria that could come from dust mites, bed bugs and stuff. it just helps fight like the bacteria that live on the skin. And this product is literally amazing, and if it's good enough for queens, it's good enough for me, and if it's good enough for queens, it's good enough for you. If anyone else wants to know anything more about this pearl powder, about where to purchase it, about how much it costs, oh yeah, I didn't say how much it costs. It costs quite a lot. So for 40 grams it cost £30, and then I think I had to pay like £6 for shipping, so it is quite pricey. I think it's slightly cheaper on Amazon by the brand Dragon Herbs, but you get it in a tablet form. There is another brand, sorry, called Moroccan Natural. They sell 25 grams, which is tiny, for £25, so it does work out better to get this one. The only different thing with the Moroccan Natural one is they just create it for you to use topically. That's the only difference, but you can use it internally or topically. So I'm just going to show you what 40 grams looks like compared to my hand. It's quite small, but literally when you use this, you just use tiny bits, and this has lasted me over a month, so it's very sufficient. It's very durable, and a little bit of this goes a long way. As I said, you can use it in your tea. You just use it with warm water, kettle water. You can put it on topically, you can put it on over your body. I wouldn't use too much on my body because I would save as much as I can, but it's just been a godsend for my skin. It's been amazing, and it just makes your skin so matte. Like, it just makes your skin so flawlessly matte. It's amazing. I hope this video has helped any of you that are dealing with flashback issues, or any of you that are dealing with an oily T-zone or oily face, a shiny face, any of you that are dealing with anything like that, humidity problem, anything. I hope this has helped. If you've never heard of pearl powder before, make sure you comment below and let me know your thoughts on it. If you are interested in purchasing this pearl powder, let me know in the comments. If you already have found something for your oiliness and it's very temporary, it doesn't last very long, let me know in the comments. And remember to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and you found it interesting. Thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one.